let's discuss few extra sums in this session. Okay, read the question first. If the midpoint of the line segment joining the points A 3, 4, B K, 6 is PXY. So midpoint, we are going to use midpoint formula for this question. So P is a midpoint of AB, okay, and X plus Y minus 10 is equal to 0. Find the value of K. So there are two informations are given, which is P is a midpoint, and one more equation is given, X plus Y minus 10 is equal to 0. You must be thinking it is linear equation in two variable X plus Y, right? Okay, hold on, let's see how do we solve it. So we are going to start with the midpoint. It is given P is the midpoint. So let's start from that point only. P is the midpoint. So if I want to write the formula for P, let's say X, Y, that will be X1 plus X2 by 2, Y1 plus Y2 by 2. Done? Now let's substitute the value. This is X1, this is X2. Point A is 1 and point B is 2. So X1 plus X2, X1 is 3 plus X2 is K, and denominator 2 will be there because we are talking of midpoint. Then Y1 plus Y2, so Y1 is 4 plus Y2 is 6, denominator 2, and here XY as it is. Let's simplify further if we can. So X, Y is equal to 3 plus K will be as it is. Don't write 3K, that's absolutely wrong. 3K means 3 multiplied by K, and 3 plus K means they are in addition. So that's completely different operation. And 4 plus 6, that is 10 by 2. Let's keep it as it is for a while. Now let's compare X coordinate with X and Y with Y. So if I compare X with this one, you can see that there will be two unknowns, which is X and K. So we cannot solve with the help of one equation. Let's try another one. If I compare Y with this 10 by 2, can I get the value of Y? Yes, directly I can get the value of Y. Very simple. So first I will be finding value of Y. Compare the Y coordinate. So you will be getting Y is equal to 10 by 2 is equal to 5. So value of Y is 5. Done. Now let's compare the X coordinate. What problem are we facing? Let's discuss that first. So if I write X is equal to 3 plus K by 2. To find the value of K, I must be having the value of X. I have value of Y, but how can we relate? Okay, one more piece of information is given here. X plus Y minus 10 is equal to 0. If you have value of Y, can you get the value of X? Yes, get the value of X and substitute over here. So let's do it. X plus Y minus 10 is equal to 0. So X instead of Y, I will be writing plus 5 minus 10 is equal to 0. So X minus 5 is equal to 0. Let's shift 5. So X is equal to also 5. So X and Y, both values are 5. Let's substitute the value of X here and get the value of K. So X, it is 5 is equal to, what can I write? 3 plus K by 2. Let's multiply 2 with the 5. So that will become 10, and 3 plus K. Shift 3 over here. So 10 minus 3 will give you what? K. So value of K, which is 7. Remember, this question we are using only one formula, but we are using logic more of this chapter than the normal one. So what logic you need to have? You need to connect the three variables with each other. There are three unknowns given, X, Y and K, and we need to connect one by one. We need to get the value of K, not only X and Y. If we get the value of X and Y, it helps to get the value of K. So let's recall the steps. First of all, given P is a midpoint, so use the midpoint formula. compare x coordinate with x and y with y. So you are going to get the value of y first, then how to do the value of y, how to calculate the value of x. You use the equation x plus y minus 10 is equal to 0. Get the value of x, substitute into the equation and get the value of k. Now let's discuss the next sum.